Hi, so this video is going to serve two purposes. One of them is just like giving you an idea of how to use plugin to your advantage as a designer. If you need to learn more about some of these basic features like installing plugins, and you're really just getting around Figma for the first time and you're starting to learn it, I do recommend getting our beginner course because that's going to cover that a lot better. But in here, what I wanted to show you is that Figma allows you to grab others' files to kind of see what they're doing. You can learn by inspecting other designs as well, but also keep in mind that beginners are sharing things as well, so it's not always going to be something that you actually do want to learn from. But there are a lot of UI kits and of course plugins that you can use to make your life a lot more efficient as a designer. So besides that, I do want to stress that we also, with this course, gave you access to a lot of different discounts, industry relevant discounts that you can use. So if you're ever interested in a particular tool, go check the discounts that we offer with a course, and maybe you can save up by just by being our student. So one of the examples is the Artboard Studio. You can look for their plugin in here, which is useful because it allows you to take your screens that you're going to design and turn them into mockups, and you can just try it out for free like this. And then when you have the paid plan, like I have in here, so you can see that I'm just searching for a plugin by using the shortcut for it, and in here I'm actually able to kind of take my designs and make them look and feel more realistic by putting them in a mockup. So I'm gonna search for an iPhone screen, and yeah, I'll just grab this one. So you can see some items appeared in here. What I'm gonna do is I'm gonna grab this, turn it into an image, paste it in here inside of this frame. So with an plugin, you always need to figure out how it works. A good thing is this plugin is really easy to use. So as you can see, I just grabbed this frame, I turned it into an image so that I can easily kind of scale it and place it inside of the frame that's going to be rendered in here. And then you have to run the plugin again and just kind of hit render selected frame, and it's going to render in here. So you can see how better it already looks, and you can use that to create mockups for the products and websites that you're designing, or you can use it to kind of make your portfolio stand out a little bit more. Let's see how it works with something like a laptop. So let me grab this as a mockup example. I'm gonna again grab this image in here. Width is 1000, and so basically half of this, and I'm gonna place it here, run the plugin, render the selected frame, and you can now see the supercharged website in a mockup like this. Finally, it doesn't just have to be for product design or UX and UI design. It can also be used for physical products like books, or just like making your ebook look a little bit more realistic. So you can grab something like this, and in here you can see that you have a cover page design and also a right page design. So I'm gonna grab this, I'm gonna place it in here, I'm gonna scale it so that it works for the format. Now, one thing that I did notice with when you're working with magazines and books is maybe you have like a different ratio from the mockup. Often it honestly works if you just go to crop, leave it like that, and then resize it, because then it kind of squishes the image to, or like stretches it so that it works with the frame. And then if you go to the mockup tool and the mockup plugin, you just hit render. It's not actually going to be as noticeable as it is in here that it's squished, because the entire mockup is under some kind of an angle or something, and yeah, in here you can see how realistic it looks. So yeah, that's an awesome plugin. It's also one of the partners of this course, so I just wanted to share it with you because it helped me showcase how to find plugins and install them, and it also helped me demonstrate how you can use plugins to your advantage to really quickly generate items and assets for your designs by also letting you know that you have a really exclusive discount for a tool like this that you can use to generate designs and become a better and faster designer.